Ian from Parrys Flooring Solutions here. When you buy your first house or building a house, it's an expensive venture. And there's lots of things you have to do for that house to put in there. One of them is flooring. And flooring is something that you want to last a long time. You don't want to replace it. We can help you with putting it in. What your job is you have to make sure it stays that way. So looking after your flooring is an important venture for yourself to get the longevity that you need. For carpet, for example, buy a good quality vacuum cleaner that has a beater in the head. If you use a vacuum cleaner that just sucks like stick vacuum cleaners, it's not getting the dust. The beater will bring up the dust out of the carpet and draw it out. Second thing is, make sure that if you do have a spill or a stain, wipe. Blot it. Okay, wiping destroys the actual fibre and fabric of the carpet. Third thing is, make sure that you vacuum strategically. Okay, if you're using high traffic areas, your lounge rooms, your bedrooms, vacuum once or twice a week, depending on how many other people in the house. And the fourth thing is, invest in it every 12 to 18 months, getting a steam clean on your carpet done. That'll look after your carpet a long time. If for hard floors like vinyl planks or hybrid floors, you do not ever use a steam mop on these floors. They're not designed. Steam mops are designed for glass and tiles. Do not use ammonia or all these general floor cleaners that are actually advertised out there. Water is the best thing that you need to clean your hard floors. Third thing, to reduce sun exposure and UV, make sure you're putting down some decent blinds or curtains in those hot, sunny summer days of Perth. And the fourth thing to look after your hard floors is do not use mats that have rubber backings. Rubber backings can have a chemical reaction to the top of the floor and it can actually put a yellow stain on those floors in time. Basically, things that you really should remember. Lift, don't drag on any floors. Dragging can cause gouges, can cause scratches, can cause damage to your floors. Number two, shoes off policy. Shoes are what brings in all the dirt from outside. Leave your shoes at the front door, in an internal hub at the front door, so you can come in with clean feet. Three, have entry mats so you can wipe your feet. And that reduces how much dirt you're bringing into your house. Dirt is one factor that can scratch all your floors. Flooring is one thing in your house you use the most of. So therefore, you've got to look after it. If you had a brand new car, I guarantee it, you'll be cleaning that car every week for the first 1 or 2 months. Do the same thing for your floor. Look after it and get the longevity that you need.